Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Jamaica's Davis Cup team narrowly failed to advance to Group 2 with a nail-biting loss to New Zealand at the Eric Bell Tennis Centre on Sunday. The teams entered Day 2 level at 1 game apiece after the playing of the singles on Saturday. Jamaica's number 1 Blaise Bittner went down in the first set to Jack Lutti before the veteran Roland Randy Phillips leveled proceedings with a 6-3, 3-6, 6-3 win over Kirampal Panu. Sunday's Day 2 didn't start out well for the Jamaicans as the pair of John Chin and Nicholas Gore went down in straight sets 1-6, 2-6 to Ajit Rai and Finn Reynolds. This gave the Kiwis a 2-1 lead in the best-of-5 tie. Blaise Bittner then leveled the fixture in the first reverse single when he got the better of Rai 6-3, 6-4. This set the stage for Phillips to take the team over the line in the final reverse single. Phillips got off to a bright start, taking the first set 6-3. He, however, could not hold out in the final 2 sets as he lost 3-6, 3-6 to Jack Lutti to break the hearts of Jamaican fans. With the win, New Zealand have progressed to Group 2 of the Davis Cup, while the Jamaicans will remain in Group 3. Reggae boy forward Shamar Nicholson will now be plying his trade for Club Tijuana in Mexico's Liga MX after leaving Russian Premier League club Spartak Moscow on a permanent deal. Spartak Moscow posted a farewell message to Nicholson on their Instagram page on Sunday. 27-year-old Nicholson spent 3 seasons at Spartak Moscow after joining the Russian outfit in January 2022 from Belgian side Charleroi FC. He spent the 2023-24 season on loan and French Ligue 1 team Clermont FC. The full details of Nicholson's move to Club Tijuana has not yet been disclosed. And finally, Olympian Jail Hyde has announced his retirement from track and field. Hyde, the 2023 400-meter hurdles Pan American Games gold medalist, made the announcement on Sunday. The former Wilmer's Boys standout also won silver at the 2022 Commonwealth Games and was a finalist at the 2022 World Championships. Hyde is a 2-time World Under-20 400-meter hurdles champion, and he was also a former World Under-18 champion. 28-year-old Hyde ends with a personal best of 48.03 seconds for the event, which ranks him as one of the fastest by a Jamaican in the event. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.